In this video, I'm going to show you can easily restore iCloud photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. First off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to tap right here at our name at the very top. After that, top right here where it says iCloud. That's where anywhere top of this list we can easily find photos. We need to top add photos first. And here we have the option sync this iPhone. Now guys, if you would like to restore all your photos from the iCloud directly to that particular device, you just need to activate this option. And what that will do, that will sync all the photos between your current device and your iCloud storage. So once you turn it off, it will start syncing. And it will download all the images, all the videos from your iCloud directly to your iPhone's camera or photo gallery. Basically, that's guys, it. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.